Okay, both are done. Okay, so let me hide this one. Now what we need to do, we need to connect this all. Okay, so you can go with the option and collapse. So what happened in the collapse, it is merging this all. Now in the weld section also, now we have a tolerance point. How much tolerance point you want, you can merge this one. So at a time it will merge all the vertices like this. But we need to see whether anything is getting damaged in this one or not. Okay, no damage in the sense it is perfect. So we have given a tolerance point 1.5, that is good enough. Okay, once it is done, accept. Now this vertex has got merged on this one. Okay, so let's go to the object mode and apply turbo smooth and see once. Now we can see. So here we got perfectly. Okay, but unfortunately we didn't got this perfect option in this one. So maybe edges and faces on this one. Okay, let me do something on this one. So go to the edge mode. Okay, double click on this edge. Okay, on this side. Okay, and shift double click. Sorry, maybe this vertex is not connected. 1 second, let me see. It is connected only. Because of the lines, it is not selecting this. Okay, let me go with the edge. Okay, and try to move this little down so it will not have that much of what we say impression, that hard impression we can say in this one. Okay, and try to move little up here to make a little soft effect on this one. Now let me see this one. Bottom one also we need to move a little down. Okay. And try to move down to make it a little softer. Okay, and take this vertex. Okay, try to bring it front. Okay, now convert it again, we can see now. Okay, now we can see little bit better. Okay, now remove this edges and faces so that we can see the clear options. Now we can see we got soft edge on this side. Okay. Now this side also we need slightly less depth on this area. Okay. Similarly on this point also slightly we need some depth has to be reduced. Select this one. Go to the edges and faces first. Now come to the edges on this one. Now select this edge. Right now we are having less width in this one. Now we can see we are having so much of gap in between now. So take this vertex mode and try to select this vertex and try to bring it front for making a little soft edge on this one. Similarly this portion also, that will make it. Yeah, now let's apply turbo smooth and see the result. Okay, now remove this edges and faces and check it once. Now we can see we got nice soft effect on this one. Okay, and so you can see right now over here. Okay, either it is crossed and here we have little hard edge, you can see. Over this side is okay, but this side we are having little hard edges. Go to the edges and faces again. Okay, now zoom again, go to the edge mode on this side. Okay, let me see where it is having hard edges. Now take this vertex point and try to select it and try to move this one. So try to move this one inside. Now see, we got nice effect on this. Okay, so the first option is okay, perfect, we can say. Now second option is also okay, third is also okay, but slightly we have depth here. Now we can see here also we are having some depth, but in the bottom portion it is almost all nil we are having on this one. So let me try once if we can make it totally 0, this depth, so that it will come properly on this one. So remove this one. Let me see this one. Now we can see perfectly we got this one. So like this you can apply this option. Okay, and similarly one more option is there in this one. So this top portion is okay, and if you need any sharp edge in this one, we can apply the sharp edge also. Go to the edges and faces again, edge option in this one. Now we can see right now it is properly going, but it has to go like this in this way. This has to come like this. So let me go with the vertex option. Okay, try to move this vertex down here and try to balance the shape. Okay, this has to go like this. Now it has to come up a little bit. So it has to go a little bit forward on this one to have a balance on this. So this muzzle has to go little up like this. Okay, so now example we can see right now. Okay, this has to go up little bit. So move this up a little bit, and this one also should go up a little bit. Okay, this one also go up here a little bit. Now we can see, now we have applied this option. Now similarly I can move this one to the left and up here. Okay, now let's apply the polygon. Now we can see nice effect on this one. So remove this edges and faces. Now we can see the effect over here. Okay, because nice, okay, bottom effect on this one. Now we have perfectly on this one, and the bottom area is also perfect on this one. Now what we need to do, we need to go and we need to merge this one now. So I am deleting this turbo smooth option in this one. Let me include the hand on this one. So first of all, before this one I want to save this as file in this one. Recent we can say, save as. Now incremental save on this one. Body 01 is the name. Incremental save to save this file in one more level we can say. Now after this one I need to add my hand on this area. So inside this one I want to import my hand. So what to do? File option, import. Okay, import option in this one. Now go to this all format here. All format, or else all files in the bottom. All files. Now go back here and go to the C folder. Now select the hand model from here. Okay, leg model also. First of all, let's import the hand, then we'll import the leg also. Sorry. Import and merge, hand option, import. Select this all and say OK for this one. Okay, again merge this all options. Now we can see we got the hand here. Now we don't want this anymore now. select this. Okay, now one second, let me go with the plane option. Properties, remove this phrase option and accept it and delete these two options from this list. Again, more to we are having object properties, no freeze option in this one, and delete these two objects again once. Now we can see we got this hand here. Move tool and try to move this one and place it. So we need to have. So now select this one and scale this first. Rotate and place the pointer in the center. Try to scale this one as per the projection, you can say. Now we can see right now the fingers are coming on this side now. The nails are coming on this side. I need opposite side of this one. So simple option. Go and flip. So flip in this direction. That is Y direction. I need to flip it and accept it. Now move tool. Rotate it. Rotate in 90 degrees for this one. Okay, now take this hand and try to adjust this hand over here. So let me change the direction of this one now, guys. Okay, so why? Because we want this one has to change the direction also. Now we can see right now it is, one second, let me see, the direction is X now. Click this mirror option, X direction, and we can OK for this one. So now we can see the fingers are perfectly aligned according to the hand, and try to move this hand and properly position this one over here. Okay, if you want rotation, you can do the rotation also a little bit if you want it, and take the move tool and try to properly organize this. So hand we got it. Now I am making a copy of this one. So shift and drag to make a copy. Okay, and instance, not instance we can say, just only copy, or else we can make it an instance also. If any changes are there, we can change it now. Flip horizontal on this one, that is Y direction. Okay, Y direction, and similarly once we can say X direction. Now just move this one and place it at the back side. We need to have rotation on this one. Try to organize this perfectly on this area. Now nails are coming on the top or not, just check it once. Nails are coming on the top now. Okay, otherwise you can check in the bottom also whether the nails are coming on the top or bottom. You need to check it. Okay, so right now we have done this one. Right now the hand is being positioned over here. Now we need to merge this two hand portion over here. Right now this is done. Similarly leg we need to place it again. So go to the file option. Okay, import. Okay, merge option. Select the leg portion and say place on this one. Select this only one box option and say OK for this. And merge. Now we got only leg. We didn't got any other portion from here. Scale this one. Scale this one. scale from the center to make it a small size and try to organize this exactly on this. Now we can see. Okay, these proportions are matching. Okay, now as for this one, now let's go to the top view. Adjust from this side now. Press F key so that you can see this complete portion. Z key we can say. Okay, top portion we can say, and Z key. Now we can see this information. Okay, now go with the default shading so that we can see anything is closed or not. Now come back again into the perspective and see from here also. Now I made the copy. Now come to the side view, okay, front view, and try to adjust this one exactly according to the image. I'm making a copy, Shift D, okay, and use the instance option in this one, and use the option mirror. Mirror in the sense X direction, and apply, and try to move this one right side. So I have taken this one now. Now I need to merge this one now. So before merging, I want to save this as an incremental file option. Save as. Now I am naming this one as a complete body. Okay, in place of body, I am giving the name called complete body model. Okay, 01 I am giving the number also. So not 01, we can say 00 and say save also. Right now I have done this one. Now I need to merge this one. Okay. The vertices I need to merge it. Select this one and try to move up first and little front side properly as organized, and the other side also we need to do the same thing. Okay, from the side view, okay, Alt Z key for this one, press Z so that it will zoom. Now properly organize the hand exactly according to this one. Okay, I have done this one now. Let me go to the leg portion also from the front, from the left view. Now we can see the leg view. Okay, over here it is perfect. On this side also we need to see whether it is perfect or not. Now this is okay. Now why? Because it is properly projected exactly in front of the hand. Now let's go to the top view and adjust from the top view. Yeah, now this both the hands little bit small size, little bit adjustment. Now this is also done. So both the hands are done, both the legs are also properly positioned this one. Is it clear, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So just give me a minute, okay? I'll be back in a minute. Yes, now we'll connect the head also in this one. So we'll import the head portion also. Let's go to the so first of all file option, import and merge. face model, incremental model I am taking on this one. So let's select this one and say open on this one. 1, 2, 3, only box model we want it. Now select this one and OK, merge it. We got this half of the portion we need to make a copy. As per the proportion we need to scale it. Okay, so now rotate it and try to scale this one from the center. Little scale. Okay, as per the proportion we need to make a copy of this one. Now select this one. Now mirror and what do we say, y direction and instance and accept. Now we can see it. Okay, now head is okay, but ear portion we don't have. Okay, let's keep it as it is and we'll continue with this one. Ear portion later we can add it now. Right now we have done with the model. Now we are attaching to this one. So as per the proportions also, the head is okay as per the proportion. Only the leg portion we need to modify. Okay, so let's join this together now. So select this one head and go for option called attach. Click on attach, click on the other object to attach this one. One minute. Yeah guys, let me attach this one now. Select this, okay, and select this attach option in this one and click on the other object to attach. Now select this box and say attach on this one. Still it is not attached. Now we can see we got this hand and this one also, and try to enable this option. Oh, 1 second. Attachment we need to remove. Now enable these options. Everything is enabled now. Now see the legs portion, we have 2 legs on this one, so let me delete this leg and try to move this one. Okay, it is attached to this other portion, we can say. Select this one, attach option, and click on this other option for attaching this one. Let me attach this all option guys one time. Select this attach option and click the second attachment, then third attachment, and then fourth attachment, and the body also. Means all the portions are completely attached. Remove this option and check once everything is attached to the body here. Now you can see right now. Now we need to merge it properly on this one. So zoom on this area. Okay, now first of all let's connect the hands on this one. Select this portion as we have attached this one. Now go to the vertex mode, okay, and select this element on this one. Two hands we are having, so let me delete one hand and let's see this one. And in this side also we'll see any 2 hands are there, single hand only. And leg also we'll see only one, right? Over here also one, it's okay. Now come back here in this one. Now go to the vertex mode. Now come to the top portion of this one, zoom. Try to match these vertexes, whatever vertexes we are having on this one. Now let me select this edges and faces. Right now we can see before merging what did not think of this one. So we got more lines on this one. So I'll go and close this one. I'll open it again. Okay, close this file. Don't save it. Yes to reset. File option. Open recent. Last option which we have saved, that is this one, complete body model without attachment. Let's see. Let's go to the file, recent. Okay, recent in the sense this one, complete body model. Now this is done. Only we want means legs to be attached. Legs also attached here. Yeah, it is here only. Try to move this one backside and try to attach this one over here. Go to the side view, front view and side view. Try to adjust from both sides. Try to move at the back side and attach it over here. And hands also we need to attach it properly. Now select this one and try to move. Little scale we need to do it. Okay. Now come to the this option, turbo smooth. I don't want. I want to delete this turbo smooth on this one. So I have deleted this one. Go to the other section of this one. Same here also. Select this one. Select this object. Okay, again scale this one also little bit more scale. Yeah, this is enough. Right now this is our what is it, hands and legs on this one. Let's come to the body section. Before body section, now we need to open this neck area on this one. So right now we have not opened the neck area. Select this object and go to the polygon option. Now edges and faces on this one, so that we can see which area we are opening on this side. Okay, now let me take this one and try to select this portion and we delete this one now. So select this same portion from the back side also and delete it. Okay, let me delete this portion from this area. So now once it is done, now we need vertexes. Now let's go to the top view and try to match this one perfectly on this top view now. So wireframe to default shaded mode so that you can see the vertexes and all, edges and faces again. Try to properly make this as a round shape on this one now. Select this one, try to move inside and this side. Okay, balance it. Similarly right side and forward on this now. And same way this side also little forward and this one also little forward and left side to have a little round neck on this area now. And similarly this area will go up little bit on this area. Okay, so now one by one we need to adjust this everything. Now perfectly it is done. Now come back into this one and come from the perspective mode and check it once. Okay, now this is done. Now deactivate this one. Okay, deactivate this vertexes also. Select this one, remove this edges and faces from this area. Select this object. Now go for attachment option in this one. Attach option, click this attach option, click the second object, third object, fourth object and fifth object. All the attachments are done in this one. Let's come to the face portion and we'll attach the face portion also. File option, save as, incremental save for the complete model. Before importing anything, try to keep one file as one copy of that one now. Okay. Now let me go to this other option. Let's import the head also. File option, import and merge. select this face model on this one. Face model, complete ear model, body model. Okay, so I'm taking without face, without this one. Now let's import it. Now select the box model and say import on this one. Okay, used unmerge option. Now we can see this, we got the face. Scale this one from the center, try to grab this one little down, little bit more. Okay, and try to move this one and attach to the body section here. Now let's come to the front portion and see from the front portion whether it is perfectly attached, merged or not. Means is it perfect or not in this area. Okay, let me come to this one now. Now we got this copy. This is okay, proportions are okay. Now use mirror option in this one, mirror. Now which direction, y direction we want to mirror, and we want instance of this one, and accept it now. Right now we can see we got a model here now. Now what we need to do, we need to merge these two objects now once. Now we can see right now it is okay, but slightly we need to make it a little bit head, a little bit more we can say big size. So first of all, let's attach this one and attach the second object also. Not this one, sorry. Let me do one thing. So first of all, let's increase the proportions on this one. Now scale this one little bit, height we want to increase. Okay, and try to move it and attach it in the back side. Now these proportions are maybe good enough. Yeah, these proportions are okay. Now select these all models. Now go to the option in this one, select this one and go for attachment option. Click this one and click this one to add and deactivate this one. Now all the portions are attached on this one now. Now we need to merge it properly on this one now. Let's go to the hand portion and perfectly, first of all, we'll match the hand portion per first one now. Okay, now this leg portion is okay, head portion is also okay for this one. Now come back inside this one. Yeah, 2 minutes are there, guys. Okay, after 2 minutes you can rejoin again. Okay, after 2 minutes. Otherwise you can rejoin now only. Sumashankar and Sanjay, both of you. Disconnect and rejoin again. Is it okay? Sumashankar, Sanjay. Hello? Umashankar, rejoin again. Yeah, guys, now let's connect it on this one. So we'll merge one by one, we'll merge these all options one by one. Okay, let's see. 1 second. Yeah, Umashankar, admit. right. So let me go and hide this one now. Let's connect it, connect these both options, guys. Now go to the vertex mode. Go to the top portion of this one. Zoom. Okay. Now we need to match it whether we are having a perfect edges or vertexes or not here now. So let me first of all project it on this area. Now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have some extra portion over here now. Let me move this one and place it over here. Okay, and try to organize this one. Okay, this portion has to come here, and this portion will go over here. This portion left side, this portion is okay perfectly. Okay, so we need to add one line on this area now. Let me come to the perspective. Now let's check it here also. Deactivate this one, edges and faces, so that we can see whether it is having a perfect one or not. Now go to the poly options, select this one and press Z key so that we can see. Now see here now. So first of all check whether we are modifying the correct one or not. Right now you can see these lines are matching. One, right now we don't have any portion here to add, so we have other portions to add on this one. So let me count it, how many edges we are having on this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One second, let me count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Total 18 edges I am having on this one. So we'll see this one also has 18 edges or not. We'll count it from here. 1, 2, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Means we are short of 4 options in this one now. So first of all, let's connect it. Which line easily we can connect it here now? We can connect those lines over here now. Okay. Now let's see. So we need one edge on this side. Okay. Why? Because we can see one short of edge we are having, which we can connect it on this side and other side of this object we can see. Now this side also we can attach one connection on this side. So let me so go with the edge option in this one. Select one edge. Use the option called ring. And connect one option over here. Now let's see where it has connected on this side. So I need 2 options in this one. So 2 I am connecting on this side now. Okay, let me connect one option in this one. So first of all, let's connect one line so that we can see in the front area if it is needed. I'll go and connect it over here now. This area, both side it is connecting. Zoom. Okay, go for connection option. Okay, where is the connection over here? Connect one edge. We want it only one edge. Okay, accept now. So this is going to merge over here now. Okay, this line and this line will go and merge, and this bottom line will come here and top line will come and merge here now. Similarly, on the back side portion also we need to merge it now. Right now we can see we are having 2 options in this one. So we have only one connection over here. Select this one again, click the ring option and connect it one more line over here now. So go to the connection option and accept it one line on this. Now almost all we have less 2 more, so means we need to add it. So let's go to the top portion and try to attach these portions over here now. Okay, 2 more portion means right now we can see this is going over here now. Select these all portions and try to place it near to this one so that we can easily match it. Now zoom on this area and try to move this one, try to move here now, and try to move this all over here, and try to move this one under this one now. Okay, now almost all we have means we have added two more, we need to add it. And now let's come to the perspective. Let's check it from the bottom portion. Okay, bottom portion also we need to match it. Now let's first of all see from the all view whether we have added all sides or not. Okay, snap option in this one. Okay, 3D snapping, we can say we can snap it to this one. Okay, and we can snap to this one now. Let me move, snap. Just I am snapping this one now. Later I will connect it. First I am checking whether this is suitable or not here now. Let me add one over here now. So two more vertices are left in this one. Let me point it out, this one first. We are missing 1, 2. Okay, so we are missing one over here, second one over here. So we can do one thing, we can add this one over here and we can connect it on this side. 1 minute. Remove this 3D option and try to move this one and try to match this vertex over here now. Lines will adjust it. First of all we need to understand this one, then we can adjust the lines also. Okay, and try to match this ones, okay, perfectly, and this one also we have connected on this one. Now let me connect all this again by using a snapping option. 3D snapping I'll do it on this one. Now enable the 3D snapping. Okay, and try to attach this one and try to attach this side. This side we are perfectly attached. Now this side we need to attach. So everywhere is okay. Now only one portion we have left with this one. 3 options we are having. Here everything is okay. Okay, we know we don't have to add anything on this one. So we need to add over here only. Okay, so first of all what we'll do, we'll move this, remove this 3D option and try to move this one and select this one, use 3D option and snap it on this area now. Okay, and again remove this 3D option, select this edge and try to use. Now again 3D snap and try to snap it on this side. Now we need to snap over here now. Select this 3D snap, so enable and try to attach it on this side. So right now we have done with this one. Now we have 2 edges on this one. 2 edges we need to add it on this one. So if we add 2 edges on this side, yeah, it will connect it on the other side also. Let me zoom on this area. We need to add 2 edges on this one. Select this one and select this loop option, ring, and check it whether it is connected the whole portion or not. Any other portion? No. We can connect 2 lines on this one. So go and connect this option, connection, 2 connections we want it on this one. Okay, accept. Now go and merge this one option in here. Okay, now take this vertexes guys, select this one and snap it on this side, and select this one and try to snap on this side. Now perfectly we have done with the
what is it, placement option, this one. So let's go to the top view and try to match these vertices properly on this one now. Remove this option 3D snapping and organize it first. Now everything is okay. Now select this all. Okay, now you go and click the option weld. Now under this one we need to say remove this option here. Now nothing but the area of nothing but tolerance point will we have to reduce to make merge on this one now. So now right now we can see everywhere it is perfectly merging, no gap, no problems with this one. Okay. Yeah, perfectly done. Accept it now to merge this one now. Similarly, the bottom portion we need to merge again on this area. Select this weld option again. Now check it whether it is merging or not. Now accept it for this one also. Now let's go and select the edge option in this one now. Now this side you can see. Now this object is clear. Now if you apply the turbo smooth so that you can see whether it is having any problem or not. Turbo smooth, and we can see this now. Can you see? Right now we have merged these two hands on this one. Now see, this one hand we have merged it. Now other side we need to do the same thing. Okay, instead of this one second, let me go with the left option. Okay, let me go to the front option. Now default shadings, and this one also default shading I am taking. Now here also I am giving with the top option and go to the edges and faces on this one. Now see, right now it is ready, and same thing for the side portion also we have to do the same thing. Other one we can say. Now instead of this one, what I can do, I can select the half of the portion, I can delete half of the portion, I can connect it, and later I can connect the other half portion we can say. So what I'll do, I'll select these polygons, select half of the polygons from here. Now go to the edges and faces and see whether we have selected perfectly or not. See, extra portion we have got it now. Alt and drag to remove the selection from here now. Now just rotate and see from this back side also whether we have selected properly or not. Can you see this hand portion? One second. Okay, let me delete this all. Okay, and select this all portions and delete this all options from here. One minute, guys. Now half of the portion I am selecting from here now. Let me zoom and see whether it has selected half portion perfectly or not. Let's come to the perspective and check it from the perspective also. Or else you can go to the top and we can check from the top also whether it is selected perfectly or not. Now we can see it is left something, so control click to select this portion. And here also some portion is not selected, just select this one now. Come back to the perspective option in this one. Rotate and see whether it is selected perfectly or not. Okay, now let me select this one, use control and select this all options and delete it now. Now everything got deleted from this side. Now hand portions are left. select this hand portion and delete it. Now everything I got it, I got deleted now on this one. So we need first one, this head to be merged and hand to be, so what's a leg to be merged on this one. So while one hand is merged already in this one, let me select the leg also will connect it again. Now element, select this element and try to move down and remove this faces option in the top portion. Select this one, turbo smooth we have applied I think. So let me select this top portion of this one and delete it. Okay, delete it. Now we don't have any option in this one, so select this one. Okay, now vertex mode. Okay, now we need to check it how many vertexes we are having on this one. So let's go to the edges and faces again. Remove this option. First of all, see how many edges we are having on this one. Okay, here also we need to check properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8. This includes 8 only. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 only. So 24 edges we are having on this one. So we need to have legs also should have similar 24 options in this one. Otherwise we can reduce some portion from here now. Select this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So out of 24, 17 in the sense total 7 extra points we are having on this one. So what we need to do, we need to remove this extra edges what we have in this one now. So let me select this model, double click on this edge and delete it, control backspace to delete. Now double click on this one and control backspace to delete. Okay, double click on this one. Right now we can see it is, no, 1 second, let me keep this as it is. Yeah, let me delete from this side now. Select this one and control backspace to delete. Okay, one line I am having on this one, so double click on this line and try to move this one towards left side and organize in the center on this one. Now similarly from the back side portion, okay, you can see right now we don't have extra portion over here. Now this extra portion I am going to remove this option now. Okay, now select this line. Okay, double click on this one and select it and delete it from here. Right now it is okay. Why? Because we don't want to delete this one. Second one is also okay. Third one, fourth one and fifth one is okay. Right now everything is perfect on this one. Now let me see how many edges we are having. 2 we have deleted, so approximately 4 we have already deleted. So more 3 we need to delete. Otherwise we need to add 3 edges on this side. So what I'll do, I'll connect it one more line on this side. Now let me snap this one and try to add this one over here now. Okay, this one will go in center. Let me go with the front option. Otherwise we'll modify this one in smooth shape in this one. You can see some of the edges are extra on this one, so we are having some extra edges also in this one. So let me remove this extra edges on this side also. But first of all, let me delete this one from here. I'll delete some portion which I don't want from the leg portion. Take this edge mode, double click on this one, shift double click on this one, shift control double click on this one, double click on this one and double click on this one, control backspace to delete this all. Okay, while I am shorting everything on this one, so double click, double click, double click, Okay, now everything got deleted. This one also control backspace to delete everything on this one. Now we can see we got less edges over here now. Let me count it one more time. How many we are having on this one now? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 options. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 you can say. And similarly here also we need to check the similar one. So 1, 2, 3, 3 option, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 we are having. So let me delete some from this one now. So inside portion I am having so this edge now, which is little extra we can say. Double click on this edge and control backspace to delete. Now any other edge we are having over here? No. Control backspace. Now similarly I am having one more edge on this side. So double click on this one and control backspace to delete it now. Now over this side also we have the similar one, control backspace to delete this all. Now we can see we got a perfect shape with the same properties in this one now. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to snap this one perfectly on this area now. So what I will do first, zoom, select element now, make it more zoom so that we can see, we can organize this one now. So how to organize this one now? Similarly, this front end, front portion will first of all align this one. So select this portion on the 3D snapping, okay, and snap this one over here now, first one. Snap the second one over here, third one over here now, fourth one over here now. So we can see right now we have snapped this one on this side now. Similarly, I will snap this one. Now how many we are having? 2, so we can connect these two. One option I am connecting on this side, second option over here, third option over here, fourth option over here now. Now we see we have connected this option perfectly. Now similarly we are having 3 lines over here now, 3 connections. So here how many we are having? Only 2 connections. So one, let me move this one and attach it. Okay, this one we can attach onto this area, but again we have one option in this one, so we need to add one line on this side. So what we'll do, we'll connect it one edge on this side. Try to move up, remove this option. Now select this edge, one line we need to connect it, ring option, okay, and connect it one line on this area, only one line, okay, accept it. Now again on the 3D snapping, okay, and one second. Two we are having on this one. So let me select this edge first, double click on this edge and try to move forward. Sorry, remove this 3D option and try to move forward so that easily we can add it now. Double click on this one and slightly move it forward on this one. Attach this one. Now take this 3D snapping on and add this one to attach, and select this one, add this one to attach it. Sorry, one point is missing on this side. Okay, one line is extra on this one, so one second, I'll do one thing, I'll delete this, control backspace to delete this all. Okay, 3D snapping and snap it on this side, snap this on this side and snap this one on this side now. Sorry, now from this side also. Okay, double click on these edges now, okay, and try to move this one backside little bit. So sorry, one second, we'll need to off this 3D snapping and try to move this vertex little backside and attach this one. Okay, we need to make it round in this area. So why? Because this portion will come in the round portion, so we need to have this proper lines and everything to be perfectly aligned according to this one, and this one will go little forward to make it little round in this area. All the lines we need to adjust first. We'll merge it, then we'll adjust this one. Now let's go to the side view now from this one. Okay, so go to the side view, zoom on this area. Now go to the edges and faces on this one, zoom, try to select this complete portion over here now. Now come back into the perspective, check it once. Okay, now this side it is not selected. Now zoom, now use control, select this all, control and select this all. Okay, one portion is left, select this all portion over here. Now extra portion whichever we have selected, we can remove. Nothing is selected extra now on this one. Everything is perfect. Now go and click this weld option in this one. Now we can enable this one. Now we can see when we extra this one, so it is going and merging this one, so a little bit less on this one and add it now. Sorry, 1 second, undo. Weld option, a little less value. Right now it is perfect. Now everywhere you check it once. Everything is perfect, then attach it. Now remove this option and see once. Now perfectly we need to align this object now. Right now the merging is done. Now if you apply turbo smooth, it will be better now, but before this one we need to modify these lines, everything now. Zoom, okay, on this particular portion. Try to move this one and organize this one perfectly on this area now. Slightly I am adjusting this one now. Let me move this one over here now. Now the lines are perfectly aligned. Okay, so as per the shapes. Now move this one little left. Now let me go to this other side of this one, side view. Now we can say we can organize this one from the side view also. Right guys, so we have adjusted a little bit on this side now. As per the proportions we need to match the leg portion also perfectly also. Now this is done. Now let me rotate and see once from the front view. Now this is also done. Let me take these edges on this one. Double click on this edge. Okay, and double click on this edge, and double click on this edge. Okay, otherwise remove this option. Now control backspace to delete these two edges on this one. Now we can see we don't have any edges, any extra portion on this one, so we have attached on this one. Let me go with the vertex now. Slightly we need to adjust from the back side. Some vertexes are not good enough. Right now it is done. Similarly the other also we need to do the same thing with the other lines also. Slightly some adjustment we have to do. Okay, almost all we have finished this one. Right now we can see the leg portion is okay, and try to modify from this side also. Move up a little bit, forward, little up here. This one has to go a little right. Every lines, the lines need to be perfectly aligned this one, then only the object will look nice on this. Okay, right now we have done. Let me adjust this one also. Yeah, it is done now. Let me see this one. Right. Yeah. So now everything is perfectly done on this one. Now apply the turbo smooth, and if you want you can check this one now. Okay, select this one and go with the list option, turbo smooth. Okay, turbo smooth option, and we can apply the smoothness. Now we can see smoothness we have applied to the object here now. Leg portion, okay, and what is it, hand portion is perfectly done on this one now. Zoom again on this area. Now select this object. Okay, select this object and mirror on this one, opposite direction X, Y we can say, instance, and try to move this one and attach it on this area. Okay, once it is attached, okay, now check it was the vertexes and all, whether it is perfectly aligned or not. Go to the front portion of this one, zoom. Okay, select the single vertex of this one. Okay, and extra vertexes you can remove using control options. Okay, everything is selected. Now let's go to the perspective and check from the back side also. Okay, let me select using control button. Let me check any other portion is selected in this one. No. Now everything is perfectly done. Now let me merge this one now, and before merging I need to scale this one now. Okay, scale from this side to make it straight on this one now. Okay, and once the state option is done on this one, okay, let me go with this option and reconnect option. So select this option and try to take this move tool. Okay, attach option this one and click and attach to the other object, we can say. Turbo smooth I'll remove, then we'll attach these two portions. Once again, if it is not attaching, convert to editable poly and select these two portions and again attach it. So it will attach it. Sometime if it is creating any problem like this, just do this option and done it is now. Now let me go and select this vertexes now. Okay, select this all vertexes from the middle portion. Okay. Now we can see the lines are selected. Now go and click the weld option in this one. Now we can see almost all the weld option is perfectly working on this side. Nowhere it is damaging. In the back side also it is perfectly done. Okay, accept it now. Select this one and apply turbo smooth and see the result here. Okay, now you apply turbo smooth and now we can see right now. So the model is completely ready from the back side and from the front side. Only the neck portion we need to add it now. Okay, guys, is it clear? Only the neck portion we need to add, that will add it in the coming up class. Okay, so the character model will be finished, and small details we need to apply, like you can see the some small front portion we need to adjust, some thigh muscles we need to create it, little arm muscles we need to create. That will finish in the coming up class. Is it okay? Umashankar and Sanjay. Okay guys.
हाँ सर.
Okay then, right. I'll upload the recording, see this and practice it. Okay, right. Bye.